go to the garden. It's a freaking perfect day. It was supposed to be rainy and miserable, but they were wrong. Wrong. Very wrong. There's my place to put all my crap when I'm gardening. Hi, Conan. How you doing? Want to go down to the garden? Come on. Here we go. Running. Not running. Okay. Here we go. Say hello to the fire pit that the dogs keep putting the chairs in. And boy, you can smell that seaweed tea. Come on, Conan. Come on. Come on, you. Oh, here comes Colby. All right. I'm just going to go in here for a little quick. I have almost finished weeding half of the garden. The other half still wants to be weeded. And I'm working on that. It's hard because I have vertigo, labyrinthitis, and it makes me dizzy when I bend over. So it gets really, really kind of... I fell on my ass yesterday, and yeah. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day, and I can't complain. Look at this. Oh, sunshine. Here comes Colby. Hi, Colby. In the shade. I think I'll join you. The sun is warm.